millions of students across the country and the Commonwealth that struggle with mental health issues, and that can greatly impact their schoolwork. But Pennsylvania lawmakers say they can help. Sarah Wilson joins us now live in the studio with the details. Sarah.
Valerie, lawmakers say mental health issues have always been an issue for students, but the pandemic really amplified the need for services. One advocate we spoke to could not agree more. Louis Bianco was a star student.
I tested as gifted. I was a very precocious child.
He was also captain of the wrestling team and the lead in his 8th grade play.
Very outgoing, athletic, creative.
But by the time he got to high school, that all changed.
I started spending more time in psychiatric inpatient units than I was at school.
Louis was sick, dealing with severe anxiety.
Ultimately turned into some self-injurious behaviors.
Fortunately, he found help and hope, but it wasn't easy.
So there was a lot of embarrassment and a lot of shame.
Louis was one of the over 6 million students in the U.S. dealing with mental health issues, an issue Pennsylvania lawmakers say they're well aware of.
It's so important because the students say it is.
Democrats in the House Education Committee say that's what inspired them to create these bills. One would allow up to 3 excused mental health days for students, no doctor's note required.
If they don't have their mental health right, though, the rest of their day is far less effective.
The other would expand access to counselors, a move that comes on the heels of an education report that found nearly 65% of PA students want more mental health services.
We need to continue the work. There is urgency to it.
Lawmakers say they know more needs to be done. Louis does too.
Just having awareness and acceptance will not halt this kind of growing issue that we're seeing. So we also need things like proactive education.
And acceptance, letting students know it's okay not to be.
Ask for help, be vulnerable.
Representative Steele of Allegheny County also calling the counseling bill critically important for student stability. It is important to note that every Republican in the Education Committee voted no on these bills. I did reach out to the chairman and the GOP spokesman to ask why and did not hear back. Seth?